Welcome back for another cruise news video, and today we got a Royal Caribbean story about a program that is going to be extended, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So Royal Caribbean has extended their Cruise with Confidence program for reservations confirmed on or before December the 17th, 2021, and on sailings through April 30th of 2022. This program allows guests to cancel their cruise up to 48 hours prior to sailing without any penalty and a 100% future cruise credit. Now, with this also comes the best price guarantee. And what that means is that if the price of your cruise goes down after you made the final payment, you can reprice your cruise up to 48 hours prior to sailing to get the new price. And of course, the price difference will be put on as a future cruise credit or as trip credit for your upcoming cruise. Now, the final due date, which is normally, 90 days before you sail, well, on cruises up to March 31st of 2022, the final payment due date is going to be 30 days prior to sailing instead of the normal 90. And finally, Royal Caribbean is extending the COVID-19 assistance program, which covers passengers who test positive for COVID-19 14 days after sailing or while on the cruise ship itself. Vaccinated guests and children who are not yet eligible to receive the vaccine, well, you guys will be getting the COVID-19 assistance program at no additional cost to you when sailing on or before April 30th of 2022. Now, for any additional information on the COVID assistance program or any other of Royal Caribbean's Cruise with Confidence programs, highly recommend you go over to Royal Caribbean's website and take a look, get any specific information you need, or for any questions that you may have. Now, Royal Caribbean says it wasn't really planning on announcing this, individually through emails on these particular programs. It was going to be on your website. It was going to be released to travel agents and travel advisors. So for an example, you may not get an email that lets you know that your due date has been changed. But if you go in and take a look at your booking, as it gets closer to the 90 days, you may see that it does change and go from 90 down to 30. Just something to keep in mind. Does give you a little more time to make that final payment. Also gives you more time if there's any reason why you may have to cancel your cruise. And of course, it is designed to give cruisers a little more flexibility, a little more options. That way, if they book a cruise, not even, 100%, I'm for sure going to be able to take this. Something comes up, COVID related, whatever the case may be. It does, like I said, it just gives you more options. That way you know that you won't necessarily have a bunch of penalties if you're trying to cancel your cruise 60 days out. It just gives you a little more time and, of course, a little more Cruise with Confidence. Hence why they named the program that. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.